come to the create. This time we will select the query. I'm not connecting the table to the report. Instead of table, I'm connecting the query. So, and come to the report section. Here also we have many options. In this time we are going to select label, click this one and select the open option, and now we can see many options for coming labels, and select next, next, and we can assign the field to the label, and now click next, sort by customer code only, and now click here for finish, and now we can see our label is ready. So now we can give the printout using this option, but right now we can close this one, and now this is the report, and here is the report which is saved. Just click this one, just close this one, and this is generated automatically. Now we will create the label address detail as per our choice. Again select the query, now come to the create, select the query, come to the create tab, and this time select this report option, and it will create the list automatically. Now click here, we have many options for view, report view, print preview, layout view, or the design view. So first we will see how's the print preview. So now we can see the print preview, but this is not, the data is not fit in the report. So this is the layout view, so we can adjust the width by that way, and select this one, and city also, then state, then country, and we can also do the page setup. Come here and now select this option, and again see the print preview. So now this is the print preview we can see. So there are many options for creating the different kind of reports. So by that way we can create the list of customers and we can take the printout. Now press Ctrl S to save this form, and save this by report and click OK. So now we have two reports, and now close this one. And now if we want to take the printout of this report from the customer, right click over here, come to the design tab, and now just increase the size of the header and come to the design tab and select this option button. Select this one and press over here, and now select report operation, open report, preview report, click next, select the report which you are going to open by using this button. So this time I am going to select R report, R customer, click next, and here I want to give the name on the button. Here we can give the text on the button so that we can identify what is the use of this button. Click next and give the name of this button. Just leave it right now as it is by default, and click finish. So now we can see one button is coming over here, but before that save this form, Ctrl S, and now click over here, and now click over here. So now we can see this report is coming, but all records are coming, but we want only the customer data related to this particular customer which is open in the form. So for this, come to the query, right click, select the design view, and come to the customer code. Here type, come to the criteria and start typing forms. Select this one, press tab, and now this option, and now all forms are coming. Select this form and now this one, and all fields are available. This particular form are coming, so we have to select so this is the customer code. Select this one and press enter, and now save, Ctrl S, and now close this query, and now again come to the home tab, and this is also this form in the form view. Now click print customer info, and now we can see only one record is coming, which is in the form. So you can take the printout by clicking over here. We can also export, and there are so many options are available which we are going to learn later in this